Facial dimples and free earlobes are both considered dominant human traits. Which answer choice below shows the correct genotypes of the offspring of a female with dimples and free earlobes and a male with no dimples and attached earlobes? Okay, so remember that we always want to make a key first. So let's highlight some important things. They're both traits. So this, remember, we're looking at a dihybrid because there's two traits. So this is the long one where we have to FOIL method and everything. And we're looking for which answer choice shows the correct genotypes of offspring. So we're crossing a female with dimples, and her genotype is given, and a male with no dimples and attached. So his genotype is given as well. So let's make our key real quick. Dimples are dominant. No dimples, recessive. And then free earlobes, dominant. And the lowercase f is going to be attached. Okay, so we already have the genotypes of the parents, so let's go ahead and write them out. Our FOIL method is going to lead us to make our Punnett square. So this is our parents. So first D, first F gives us the first spot. Outside to outside gives us the second one, which is a big D and a little f. Inside to inside, big D, big F. Last to last, which is big D, little f. And then the other parent, which we'll place down the side, is going to be little d and little f for all four options because that's the only thing they have to donate. Okay, so let's fill out the inside of our Punnett square. Got a heterozygous for both. Heterozygous dimples, homozygous recessive earlobes. Heterozygous for both, and heterozygous dimples, homozygous recessive earlobes again. Now, since all of these are the same, because this one parent only donates the little d's, little f's, you can draw arrows that just show that all of these columns are going to be exactly the same, and that saves you a little bit of time. Only do that when you're 100% sure. So in this case, it looks like we have two different options of genotypes, because that's what we're looking at. One is the heterozygous for both, which we see there and there. The other one is heterozygous dimples and homozygous recessive earlobes. So let's find our answer choice. 50% heterozygous dimples and heterozygous earlobes, and 50% heterozygous dimples, homozygous recessive. There's our answer right there. Let's make sure all the other ones are incorrect. B says 50% homozygous dominant dimples, heterozygous earlobes, and 50% heterozygous earlobes, homozygous recessive attached. And so that's not correct because we didn't have any homozygous dominant. C says 75%, 25%, which that's incorrect because we got a 50-50 down the board anyway, so we know that both of those are wrong because we didn't have a 75 and 25. So our answer here is A. We have 50% of the heterozygous, which is the purple circles, and 50% of the heterozygous dimples and homozygous recessive attached earlobes, which is green circles, and that's our answer.